Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess where I'm at? I am in the new craft studio. You can probably tell that it's pretty empty right now. I have a bunch of stuff in the closet that I still have to go through. I do have a couple of little desks set up in here, but I've literally just set the desk in here. But I have a Dollar Tree haul that I needed to go ahead and do so that I can get this stuff put up because, guys, this was a jackpot Dollar Tree haul for me. I went in there just to get a couple little things for my granddaughters because she was going to be riding in the car with me. So I just wanted to pick up a couple of crayons, a little notebook. And that was it. Well, I hit the jackpot. So let me go through some of the stuff first. I'm going to save what I consider to be the best. I'm going to save it for last. So let me just get started with my cleaning supplies because you guys know with the remodel, I'm doing tons of cleaning. And yeah, so I love the Purple Fabuloso. This is like my favorite stuff of all times. But they have the antibacterial Purple Fabulosa at Dollar Tree. I might have picked up like 8 or 10. Yeah, like seriously. And then this was the other thing I seen at Dollar Tree that I have not seen. It's the Windex and a multi-surface cleaner for $1.25. It's the refill, so it doesn't have the pump. But my goodness, we all have pumps. Or, if you need to, you can buy a spray bottle from Dollar Tree for $1.25 and just use it over. So I think I bought like 5 of these because I have a stainless steel fridge and dishwasher and that kind of stuff. So that was definitely something that I will be using. So while I was there, I grabbed 5 of them, I think it was. Now, this is what I went in to pick up. Y'all know I like to use these little bitty Crayola colored pencils. I love to use these in my craft fair stuff. And I also like to keep a box in my car that I call my Mimo box. And I have stuff like this in there so that when the kids are with me, I have stuff for them to do. So the other thing I've picked up was I hauled this on the last one, I believe. It's the Frozen. It's the stacked pencils. So I just grabbed a pack of those. And then I grabbed this simply because it's not Crayola, but it's the My Little Pony crayons, and they came in a little box. And so I knew that my granddaughter would love those. So I picked those up. And then these were the things I picked up to keep in my car. This is the kind of stuff I went in for. And then, yeah. So I just picked her up this cute little notebook here. It's a Jot notebook. It's like marbled on the front. And it's just got the notebook paper on the inside. And then I picked up a 3-pack of these little notebooks here. They've got like the little plastic cover. So that's what I went in for. But I did pick up these. These are those, it's like a plastic bag almost, and they have these in so many different varieties right now. They have this one. They have this one here, and it says Live in Full Bloom. They have one with lemons on it. And then I picked this up. My son is getting married in September. And so I picked this up for his fiance. There's this one, and it says I Do Crew. But I also picked her up this one, and it says I Said Yes. So these will be good for her to have for the wedding. And those are great bags. I love those bags. The other bags that they have there right now are these. And I like to use these bags for when I'm grocery shopping. This is the bags that I use instead of getting the plastic bags or paper bags. I take those bags in, and that's what I use. Okay, so let me show you a couple other things before I get into what I call the good stuff. So I do like to pick these up from Dollar Tree. These are like the little traveler's notebooks, but I had not seen this design before. And so it's just a really cute little plaid. And so it's got two little blank notebooks on the inside of it there. And these are the traveler's notebooks, so you can replace them. But I picked up two of those because, number one, the inserts are worth $1.25, but I love the cover too. And then I seen this. It's got that same plaid pattern, and then it's got the buffalo, the black and white, and it's just the two little envelopes, the button envelopes. I just went ahead and grabbed it. They're not the greatest. They're kind of thin, but I figured they'll be fine for what I'll use them for. And then I only grabbed a couple of things for 4th of July because I'll try to insert a picture if I can remember. My fireplace got redone. Like, we done the whitewash and then we painted the mantle black. Oh, it's beautiful. And so I got this to go on the fireplace, and it's just one of those buntings. And then I also got these because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do something like this or the bunting. I'm not sure. So I got both of them. Okay. Now, this is like the next to the best part. I walked over to, where they have the bags and stuff, and they also have shirts a lot of times. And the shirts that you can get at Dollar Tree, a lot of times they're kind of thin. They're just like that, whatever. Guys, I hit the jackpot. I don't even know how many I bought, okay? Because I bought one for each of the grandkids that they had that would fit them. So I'll just kind of show. So these are Bart Simpson, and these actually say the Simpsons. And these are a very thick, high quality shirt, and they had these for $1.25. Okay, so I got those. Then the next ones that I got, are y'all ready for it? Okay, look at that name, Disney Princess. Look at that. Yeah, and they're very nice shirts, and they have the Disney Princess tags. And my Dollar Tree had them in 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then here's the next one. Are you ready? You ready, ready, ready? Look at that. Barbie. Guys, can y'all believe that? I was like tickled when I seen it, because for $1.25, if they wear them out in the yard and mess them up, who cares? And then here's another one. Give you a little idea. Look at this. How cute is that? So I am loving this. And my grandbabies will be loving it too. Well, Elena already got hers last night, but I've got to give the others to them. Some of them I have to mail because they live in Okeechobee. And then check this one out. Garfield, guys. Now, if they had this to fit me, I'd be wearing this one. I don't think I can wear the 8, and that's the biggest that they had. If they had a 10-12, I think I could wear it, but I didn't see a 10-12. And then we got some for the boys. So here we go. Teaser. Look, guys. Can y'all believe that? My grandsons are going to be so stoked over those. And then I got this one. This one says NASA. So there's that. And then let's see. Here's another Marvel. And it's a Spider-Man. And then I think one last one. It is, check it out, Disney. See, Disney. And it's Mickey. So guys, all of those shirts were $1.25 a piece. And you know, even I used to shop Goodwill, but even at Goodwill, you can't get a t-shirt for $1.25 anymore. That's a lot of shirts, guys. My grandbabies are going to be happy. All right. Now, you ready for the good part? I have not seen this at Dollar Tree before. I don't know if I should give y'all a teaser or just show it to you. Guys, look at this. Do y'all see what this says? Expansion disc. $1.25 for 10. But that's not all. They have the covers. Check that out. And they have inserts. Yeah, guys. But that's not even it. They have the little thing that you can clip in there that's got the little tabs on it. And they have stickers. Guys, I have not seen this at Dollar Tree before. And so the pack, I'm going to open one because I checked it out in the store because I was like, okay, sure, it's probably going to be super thin or something. No, it's not, guys. You can see. So this is one pack, front and back. I mean, $1.25. I was blown away. I don't know how many designs that they have. These were the 3 that I seen at my Dollar Tree. So there's this one, and it says notebook. And then this one says, she designed a life she loves. And so the inserts that they have, let's just take a look at them. Okay, so the paper's kind of thin, but that's okay. So, oh wow, okay, so it says month of, and it's got goals, important birthdays, and then it's got your monthly calendar, and then important notes. So, and then it looks like it'll probably repeat. Yep. So this one's like a monthly planner. Okay, let's see what the other one is like. Okay. So it looks like it's got some different stuff in it too. All right, so it says notes and ideas. Let's see, I thought, yep. And then it's got it, so those are lined. Then it goes to whatever you call that. Then they also have it in the dots. Just trying to see if I'm getting it all. Then they have it in blank. And then they have it in the columns. Guys, that is such a good deal for $1.25. Even the paper is thin. Yes, the paper is very thin. But for $1.25, you will not hear me complain. I do like that they have the variety type. You know, they have it where it's either the graph or grid or lines and blanks and columns. So that's very good. Let's open the, where are they at? Okay, so let's take a look at these little things here. Or maybe. All right, so it comes on, oh wow. Oh, guys, these are like, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're like the transparent plastic. Look at that. And it looks like you get quite a few of each one. And then where's the other little thing? Okay, and then this, it says 5-piece. So I guess it's, oh, and it looks like each page is different. All right, let's see if I can get it out. Maybe. All right, so this one has important appointment. So this one's got like your normal calendar type stuff. Oh, this one's cute. This one's got like your to-do list, your little markers there. Some cute little words. And then some months. So that's a very good deal. I am very impressed, Dollar Tree. Stepping it on up. That was almost like being at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something, you know, because my Dollar Tree had quite a few of them. They were down near where the school stuff is where I found this stuff at. I don't know if it'll be the same place in every Dollar Tree because, you know, everyone's different. But mine was very close to the school supplies. So I'll go to some more Dollar Trees, probably not this weekend because I got to get all this stuff organized and in here, and we're still moving out of the other place. And so we've got so much to do, and it's Father's Day weekend. So there's so much to do, guys. I don't know how I'm going to get it all done, but it's okay. It'll be all right. I'm going to do what I can do, and then that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hopefully now that I am starting to get back in here, I'm hoping I may even be able to go live tonight. I don't know if this video will post before I would go live or not. I'll just have to see, but I'm hoping that I can, because I've missed you guys like really bad. But I'm going to see what I can do, and I do have, once I can find some of my stuff, I do got, God, I can't even talk. I do have several ideas for some videos coming up. So hopefully with all of this stuff starting to get done, maybe I'll have more time and can get some stuff done, and we can really enjoy it and do some junk journal stuff and some more digital design. And I don't know, just our Friday, I miss our Friday night chats because God knows we didn't craft, or I know I didn't craft. I pretended to craft, but y'all know I didn't. Y'all know I didn't do much of anything but run my mouth. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video, and hopefully it will not be much longer. So bye, guys.